Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope everything's going well for you and being good to each other. Oil, that's what the green is all about there. So, shorted at the top line here and closed out at 50. So, took 32 cents off the dollar, off the oil trade there. And also had a pound trade there, which was quite nice. 20 pips. It took over a day. Entered into this because 82, this was the high, almost to the pip of that hourly candle. And this is going back a few days. So we're selling into resistance, which I like doing. That because it suits my personality. I always believe that, or usually anyway, that if I buy something or enter a trade, it's going to go down. So I like shorting or selling into rallies. So there's some resistance there, and it worked very nicely for 32 cents off of the crude oil. You can see at the bottom here there's a few positions that put on. This is a demo account, but it would have been reflected in a smaller amount on my real account. Just to run you through, let me just check how I'm doing for time here. I do like to see what I'm doing on time. Okay, 2 minutes. So, on the euro, nothing happening there. The pound, interesting. Will it break through that support of the big 140? That's quite a serious support level there. So, if this breaks through with some real conviction during this current US session, that could be quite important for the pound, because where is it going to go next? I mean, next obvious level is around here, where there's almost a double bottom. So I have to watch that, and there's been some serious buying going on, but it's not maintaining the level. So one to watch. Australian, nothing much going on there. Euro Oz, I like this at resistance when it's up around here. Very nice. Pound yen, yeah, definitely one to watch. Pound yen. I mean, if we move, this is what I would be doing, alright, watching my resistance levels. Okay, so that's on the daily, and it hasn't been beyond that since about February. About February 28 this year. So on the 4 hour, it's like that, and the 1 hour. It's an interesting little thing to watch, alright, when that starts going red on a 4 hour. Be on the lookout for something, a trading opportunity. So it's not quite at the right point yet, and I will just clean this up to say it should be there. So at 150.70 I could be very interested in that. Okay, got to get out of this because getting near my maximum time. Speak to you again soon.